Hi, I'm Benjamin Henry, Field CTO with Komprise, providing a demo of KAPPA data services. In this example, we have a medical research institution that received grant funding for cancer research. That funding expires in 12 months. They have over 2 petabytes of medical imagery across a diverse hybrid storage environment. They need to identify and tag only chest x-rays from the entire data set. The end result is accelerating research by feeding the right data to the AI workflows. So once I log into Komprise and click on the Workflows tab, I simply want to click on the right-hand side, Add Workflow. From here, I'm going to choose the KAPPA data service for DICOM service. Once I select that service, I get a preview of the couple lines of Python code required to import that contextual metadata. And we can see here, I'm pulling in things such as manufacturer, the study, the series, the body part. And the body part is what we're going to use later on to tag the data. Now I get to choose the data set. From here, I have 2 ways. I can either choose the share, or I can be more advanced by using a deep analytics query. In this example, we're simply going to choose the share. From here, I have a couple options. I can run this workflow one time, or I can schedule it to repeat. If I schedule it to repeat, I can choose to run it across my entire data set again, or only changes and new files since the last time this workflow was run. I can also give this workflow a custom name and also provide a description if necessary. Much like our migration screen, you're going to get a confirmation of all the criteria you've selected so far. Now I'm going to create the workflow and start the workflow. And once I start the workflow, I can click on the link to open the details. And in here, I can get the information such as the files to be processed, if there were any errors. I get exclusions, as well as getting a preview of the Python that's being executed against the files. All right, so that's up and running. So let's take a look at how this is being tagged in Deep Analytics. Click on the Deep Analytics tag, go to the right-hand side, New Query, scroll to the bottom, open up Komprise tag. From the drop-down, I'm going to choose Body Part Examined, and then I'm going to choose Chest. Once I choose Chest, I'm going to hit Add and Run. Now we're going to be able to see the data that's been tagged so far as chest x-rays. I can click on Detailed List of Files. If I want to export this list, I can simply click on that download link above, and I'll get the file name, who owns the file, where's the files located. If I also want to do something with this data, such as feeding it to an AI model, I can simply run a Komprise plan based on these tags. So using a deep analytics query, say tag equals body part, save that, go to my plan, create the plan and say either copy the data or confine the data. The benefits of KAPPA data services accelerate unstructured data preparation for AI, no overhead, proven Komprise scaling, easy customization, fast, easy, and flexible. High data quality for maximum AI return on investment.